OpenAI have just released a new ChatGPT update, scheduled tasks in ChatGPT. So what this allows you to do is automate your work with scheduled tasks in ChatGPT. We don't need to go through all of this, but now if you click on your profile picture in the top right, you will see this task option, or on phones, I believe it's the bottom left. Task option, you can click on that. You will get a little breakdown of some first time use cases. Try your own. Something important though is going through and turning on desktop notifications. That way you will actually get the notifications, because it does send you through what you need. Well, yeah, sends you through the tasks as they hit their time frame. So if you're on the ChatGPT screen, all you have to do is go to drop down menu 40 with scheduled tasks. Now here you can put anything in. So this can be just a general reminder. Remind me every day at 5 p.m. to, what am I doing at 5 p.m.? to start thinking about dinner. I do occasionally forget. The wife and kids get angry when it's my time to be making the dinner. So from there, you can click on your profile, tasks. Here's one I've already set up in another test video. And some other options are, so this one will actually search the internet. So if you are in the stock market, you might want, send me the share price of Oxy every morning at 8 a.m. Now I'm in Australia, so 8 a.m. my time is generally past the close of US's market closure. Every morning at 8 a.m. Perfect. Now you can just keep adding them in here. So you might be, I don't know, in the game of, what's the actual brand name that I know? You might have a business and you want to keep track of prices, or you might be looking to buy something at a certain price. Please send me price updates each morning at 6 a.m. for the price of, what did we just buy? Just bought my son I can't even think of it. Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset for Xbox. Bit of a random example, but this is far more than just your standard reminders. Chat will actually search the internet and provide you up-to-date information. So please send me the price on this thing we've just bought. I guarantee you tomorrow morning it sends me the price and it's a completely different price. Give me weather updates for Brisbane, Australia every day at 9 a.m. So you can see here you can actually get live prices, live updates. It searches the internet. It does all of that. Whereas your general calendar or general reminders, they can't do any of this. So I think this is an absolute fantastic feature. I will be diving into it more, learning more about it, and I do believe that I can set myself up. Oh, we don't need that one. Set myself up with quite a few nice little schedule posts. Now I do believe at the moment there are only 10 available. So prioritize the most important, but I'm sure they'll probably release more in the future, but for now it is only 10. Alright, I just wanted to give you this quick run through. Again, drop down menu, schedule tasks, and type in what you want to be reminded about. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe for more of my content, and we'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one.